Just cleaning out the rest of the grinds, the beans. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm looking at the Cuisinart. I've had this for about a few months now, and I've made a couple of videos and gotten thousands of views and a ton of comments. Now the one comment that everybody keeps making is, how do you clean the Burr grinder? People don't know how, maybe it's confusing. I just do it simply just opening up the actual hopper itself, removing all the beans or waiting till it's almost empty, removing the beans, and then basically cleaning it out. If you have to vacuum it out, really super easy. But this is, I've been getting a lot of comments on this, and I just want to make a quick video, not too long. I went through a ton of options with this, ton of features, so take a look at those videos. It'll be at the end of this video, the unboxing, and then I think I gave a 6-week review. So take a look at those videos, but this is for the people who don't understand how to take out the actual Burr grinder itself. So let's see, this is the hopper. And here are the beans on top here. So you can see where the beans are, right? Here are the beans. So I'm going to remove all the rest of these beans, and this locks and unlocks. This opens up this channel here, and this channel basically opens up and gets access to the actual Burr itself. Okay, the Burr grinder itself. This is the hopper. Underneath the hopper is where the Burr grinder is itself. So we're going to take all these beans out of here. We're going to just snap this open. It says a lock and unlock. Super easy right here. Lock and unlock. So it shows you which way to go. So just follow the directions. This is the unlock. So we're just going to take it, unlock it, and this whole piece should pop right off. So let me get these beans out of here. We're going to open this up together, and I'm going to show you exactly how to open up the Burr grinder itself. You can clean it, vacuum it, do whatever you want. So that's what this video is for. And I really appreciate everyone's comments. I know it's confusing. I know it can be frustrating. So I just wanted to make this video to show you a little bit about that. But I'm having a great time with this coffee maker. It works great. The one huge feature I love about this the most is that it makes hot coffee every day. It's always hot, have no reduction in heat, which is huge. Someone asked me how hot does it come out. It definitely comes out 195 degrees, roughly, right around there. It's close to boiling point. It's pretty hot. I mean, it's pretty hot. So that's one thing I want to answer. Cleaning it, I mean, the only pet peeve I have is this, every time I have to keep cleaning the filter, coffee grinds splatter everywhere, so I got to keep cleaning that. It's a little bit more maintenance than the average coffee maker, I think, but honestly, the convenience of brewing what you want, and also the grind and brew feature all in one, I do love that a lot. So I'm definitely I'm a fan. I didn't return it. I love it. I've had it maybe, I don't know, maybe 4 or 5 months now. No issues. But let's get to this right here. It doesn't take the rest of these beans out of here. Open up this part here, and then we're going to show you how to access the Burr. If you enjoyed this video, hey guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. This is what I do to help educate you, motivate you, and inspire you to do things like this so you don't get frustrated, stressed out, and completely freaking out on how to change these things. So if you love this video, give me a like and a thumbs up. I really appreciate that. That helps the algorithm. And if there's any links available for this coffee maker, I'll have it over here at the end of the video. Check it out, or down below in the actual field itself. All right, let's get these beans out of here and get going. Okay, so I removed as many as I can. So don't be afraid when you move this. It's just going to make a little bit of noise. Just gonna make a little crunching noise because there's beans in there. So I'm just gonna open up this hopper here. You get this open. It's gonna force a little bit. Don't worry. Come on, let's go. There we go. Nope, beans are flying, but that's okay. Just make sure you turn it all way over to the unlock. You can see it pops right open. Let me just get this out of the way. So now you can see this is where your Burr is in here. This is where your Burr grinder is, and here's all the beans, and here's all the grinding action right here. Make sure you unplug it. Actually, I'm going to unplug it right now. Make sure you unplug it before your finger's in there. Now, I recommend just, scooping out what you can. I'm going to put it over here. Scoop out the little beans. Really, really easy. Now, this is the actual lever itself to actually open up the actual grinder, but we're not going to do that yet. We're going to get the rest of these out of here. We're going to get my vacuum and clean these out, and then we're going to show you how to open up the Burr grinder itself. So just go ahead and do that. Get a vacuum, suck everything out, make sure everything's clean, and that way you have a clean surface to work with, and then you can just clean it out when you're ready with a little brush. All right, that's what I'm going to do next. Just cleaning out the rest of the grinds, the beans. Okay, so now you can see the actual Burr grinder itself. Let me just get a close up here so you can see. There it is. I have it unplugged. Make sure you have it unplugged. Let's see now. So see how I just twisted that? Let me show you again. Now watch. I'm going to twist it like that, and this opens up. This is the locking mechanism right here. Here is your Burr grinder. Here is your main grinder right here. There's a screw if you want to take it all apart. There are some of the grinds in here, so you can vacuum those out if you want to. And that's all you have to do to remove the actual Burr grinder itself. This is fixed. You can take this apart if you want to. I don't recommend it. This is what you want to clean and then put it back in, just like you saw before. You snap it like that. So let me get it in the right spot. Okay, so you can hear it, right? Unlock, lock. Put that down either way. And that's all you have to do. That's how you clean the Burr grinder itself. You just take this little latch. Don't be afraid. You're not going to break anything. This pops off just like that. Pop it back on. You're going to see, snaps right back in. And then you put this little metal piece down. And then you put the hopper back on. That's all you got to do. Let's put the hopper back on. Let me show you how to do that. Okay, so I have my hopper. I got all the beans cleaned out. I'm just going to pop this back on. Just like that. And we're going to do what again? We're going to lock it in place. Just like that. That is all locked in. Now you just have to refill your hopper. Your grinder is clean. Your beans are replaced and you're good to go. Again, don't be afraid to move things around. Things get locked. It's okay. It's just moving the beans around the grind. Not going to break it. And that's how you do it. All right, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. I really wanted to make this for a while now. People keep asking me, how do you do it? And that's how you do it. If you enjoyed the video, again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe like I said. Plug that back in and we're good to go. We're going to pop in the beans and that's all you have to do. So that's all you got to do, guys. So I hope I brought you some value. If I did, hit that like button, subscribe, and follow me for more videos just like this to help educate you, motivate you, and inspire you to do things like this on your own and not to be afraid. And that's what this video was all about. And that's what my channel is all about. I appreciate your time as always. Thanks for watching and I'll see you at the next review. And don't forget, I love coffee. And if you love coffee, then I appreciate you because I really do love coffee and I hope you enjoy the video.